When I became a senior field service engineer, I didn't even know what a scanning electron microscope was. And I'm saying to myself, man, I would love to expose youth to this type of technology. CLASS stands for the Community of Latinos and African Americans for Student Success.
It's a great event where kids get to learn about what it is being an engineer at LAM and learn the daily activities that we conduct to get customers their results.
Impact through exposure. If they can see Latinos and African Americans in different tech positions, then they can envision themselves in those positions. See you, be you. If I could see you, then I can be you.